為打斷正常節目而致歉。這是一個由中國載人航天工程辦公室發出的警報信息。香港標準時間下午3點15分，3個大型不明物體分別墜落在清水灣、南灣及銅鑼灣海域。目前，我們仍在確認物體的來源和性質，並與香港政府緊密合作，以評估對市民的影響。當局已經派出緊急應對隊伍進行現場調查，並監測任何可能的環境或安全風險。所有市民請立即保持冷靜，避免前往受影響的海域及其附近地區。若你身處這些地區，請迅速撤離至較高地勢，避免接觸水源，並遠離墜落物體。請密切留意官方渠道的進一步通知，並避免傳播未經證實的信息，以免造成恐慌。如發現異常情況，例如水質變化、空氣異味或不明物質，請立即向當局報告，並避免直接接觸。不論事件是否與太空物體有關，安全為首要考量。請確保你的家人和鄰居都知悉此警報，特別是年長者和行動不便人士，以確保他們的安全。當局將持續提供最新信息，並根據調查結果決定是否需要進一步防護措施。請繼續收聽政府公告，透過官方電視台、廣播或手機應用程式獲取即時更新。再次提醒，請保持冷靜，確保安全，並遵從當局指引。
We apologize for the interruption of this normal programming. This is an alert message issued by the China Manned Space Agency at 3:15 p.m. Hong Kong Standard Time. 3 large unidentified objects have crashed into Clean Water Bay, South Bay, and Causeway Bay. Authorities are currently investigating the nature and origin of these objects and are working closely with the Hong Kong government to assess potential impacts on public safety. Emergency response teams have been deployed to the affected sites to monitor environmental and safety risks. All residents are advised to remain calm and avoid traveling to or near the impacted areas. If you are in these locations, evacuate to higher ground immediately, avoid contact with the water, and stay away from the crash sites. Please stay tuned to official sources for further updates and refrain from spreading unverified information that may cause unnecessary panic. If you observe unusual conditions such as changes in water quality, strange odors in or unidentified materials, report them to the authorities immediately and do not attempt to interact with them. Regardless of whether these objects are of extraterrestrial or other origins, public safety remains the top priority. Ensure that your family members and neighbors, especially the elderly and those with mobility issues, are aware of this alert and take necessary precautions. Authorities will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available. We'll determine if additional protective measures are required. Please stay tuned to government announcements via official TV channels, radio broadcasts, or mobile alerts. Once again, remain calm, prioritize your safety, and follow official instructions.